Hi guys, today we'll understand how useNavigate works. So without any delay, let's get into the code. Okay, let me go to home. Okay, so this is a basic app that I made. Here you can see we have four links and corresponding four routes. When I'm currently on home, so you can see this is home written here. If I go to cart, this is cart is written. If I go to wishlist, this is wishlist is written, and you can see all of these pages here in the pages folder. Okay, cart, home, login and wishlist. Now let me show you what happens when I go to the login page. Okay, so this is being rendered. So how is this being rendered? Let me show you the login page so that you guys could understand how is this being rendered. Okay, see here what I'm doing is, like, I'm doing not much, just wrote it here, enter the password, then I make the input field with type password, and here I am passing the event here in on change, and I have a state I made a state using useState, and there is this password is the state variable and this set password is the state function. So in the state function I am passing e.target.value. So whatever is being typed by the user in this input field is being stored as password, is being stored in the password, that is a state variable, and I am printing that password in the view. So yeah, that's how it is happening. See, whatever I am typing is being stored in the password which is a state variable and is also shown in the view. And this is submit button that I have made, where this is a simple click handler. When I click on submit, this click handler will run, and what it will do is, when I click on submit, let's say I am entering anything, when I click on submit, this will run. If password is equal to 1234, it will do something else, it will set password to again to an empty string. So since password is not equals to 1234, it will set it to empty string. That's it. Not equal to 1234, I'm clicking on submit and it set the password to an empty string. Okay, now let me show you how useNavigate works. So let's import useNavigate. What we can do using useNavigate is, let me first import it from react-router-som. Okay, so what we can achieve using this is, let's say when I enter the right password here, although I am hard coding the password here, we will not do it in the actual app, so but here I am hard coding it so that you guys could understand. And I also made all of this beforehand, although it didn't take any much time, but still, so that I could focus on the this useNavigate only, So yes, back to the topic. So what I want is, when the user enters the right password, let's say what was the right password, 1234 is the right password here. So when user enters 1234 and then he clicks on submit, then it should navigate me to a different page. Let's say I want to be navigated to cart page, because cart can only be accessed when a user is logged in on an e-commerce website. Generally you can only access the cart when the website knows that it's you. Okay, I can only access my cart when the website knows, yes, it's Rajat, so let's show him his cart. Okay, so that's what we want. When I enter the right password, it should directly navigate me to cart. Okay, so let's try to do this. Here you can see I have imported useNavigate. Now what I'll do is, I'll just restructure it. useNavigate is nothing but a context provided to us by react-router-som. Okay, you can see, okay, this you have to do, this useNavigate will return this navigate. You can name it anything here. So what I want is, but this navigate name is more relatable, that's why we use it. So what I want is, when the password is right, navigate user to cart page. That's all I want. Okay, when the password is equals to 1234. So when user clicks on the submit, click handler function will be executed, and in the click handler function, if password is equal to 1234, will be navigated to the cart page. But for us to navigate to this cart page, we must have a corresponding route, that you must understand. No, you can see here we have a corresponding route, because we must know the element that should be rendered on the cart page. So let's come again to the navigate. Okay, if password is right, then navigate. If wrong, then reset the password to an empty string. So it's a wrong password, password will be reset. Now let's do the actual stuff. No, I am typing 1234 and let's click submit and see what happens. See, I am being navigated to the cart page. So this is all useNavigate does. Okay, it when a certain, this is why we use this useNavigate. When a certain condition is true, do this, navigate us to a particular page, because till now what we are doing is we can only navigate to a particular page when there is a link available for that page. For example, till now we can only navigate to the cart when there is a link available to the cart. We can only navigate to wish list if there is a link available to the wish list. We can only navigate to home if a link is available that is taking us to home. But in this case, in the case of this navigate, what we can do is whenever a condition is true, automatically navigate us or take us to that particular page. Okay, I hope you guys understood this topic. If you do subscribe to my channel, because I will be making more React router videos after this. So yeah.